We're loading up for another camping weekend. And this load up will look a little different because, you know, we've been working on this whole truck cap tent situation. We are in like phase 2 of this process.
It's been like 150 hours, I don't know.
Yeah, we have no idea. But it looks a little different and we're gonna show you because it's gonna make it way more convenient and less back-breaking to be able to get things into the cap.
Back-breaking. I'm tired of this, Grandpa!
He can fully stand up.
Great.
Oh my gosh, no more hunching.
Piles all my room for activities.
And that's how it works. Rooftop tent without the tent.
Not yet, coming soon. Let's go.
So the other challenge this weekend is that this is the Wong Family camping trip of the year. And my parents are camping in a tent for the first time ever.
Ever? Your dad's been in a tent before.
Okay, he slept one night in a tent.
Yeah.
My mom, maybe way back in the day, but the two of them together in a tent?
Yeah, no.
Never.
This will be interesting.
So we'll see if they survive. We're supposed to be gone for 4 nights.
Bets on all 4.
You think they're gonna last all 4? You think like 2?
Yeah.
I have hope. Come on, Mom and Dad. 4 nights. You can do it. Let's go.
Cold, wet, miserable, grumpy.
Mom and Dad have made their way. They're setting up camp. Luke and I are right over here. And Christina, Caleb, and Derek are that green tent. Whoops, just down there. And of course, this evening's dinner is a Wong special. Fried chicken on the fire. Do you expect any less from the Wongs, especially Alan Wong?
Alan.
What the heck? What the heck?
Okay, dinner time.
Time to eat.
Fried chicken over the fire, so good. Hey Dad, how's your chicken?
Very good, thank you.
Caleb, how's your chicken?
Good.
Good. Derek?
That could be a little better. No, I'm joking. It's perfect.
What is your biggest worry this weekend?
Fire.
I don't know, drowning in the lake. What? Of all things? Let's hear what Luke has to say.
My biggest fear, I think, is if it just rains for 24/7.
No, but are you worried about her drowning?
No.
Okay, good.
I don't know. She got a husband. He can swim.
We were all talking about what you're fearing the most to survive this weekend. What would you say yours is?
Cleanliness. No shower.
No, there's a shower here.
Okay. Spider.
Public shower scare you?
Public shower.
So you're saying you might die of hygiene?
Yeah.
Derek, what's your fear for the weekend?
I have no fear.
What are you worried the most about this weekend of surviving?
Getting wet.
Okay, which means you'd get cold?
Cold, wet, miserable, grumpy.
I'm
don't
also
want
worried about that.
You don't want me grumpy.
You fearing the most with this camping trip?
I wake up with a very achy bones.
That's very possible, you know.
I know.
Right, on the spot, what's your biggest fear this weekend?
Oh, having to pack up Mom and Dad in the middle of the night so they could drive home.
That's very potential.
You think that can happen?
Or, yeah, one of your guys' tents flooding and not having a spot to sleep. Good morning. You guys survived.
Yeah.
I heard you were hot.
No, I wasn't hot. It wasn't cold though.
Not cold? That's good. You were hot.
I was hot.
You were hot, and Caleb said he was warm too. We are doing Marble Canyon hike with the fam jam. Let's see how it is. It's a bit of a rainy day, so hopefully it doesn't come down on us when we're out there. Let's go. Enjoying the hike?
Very much. Beautiful.
So beautiful. Look at that behind us. All right.
Beautiful scenery with my beautiful daughter.
Aw, let's trek on. Not bad, you oldies.
Odie's got to compromise and stick together.
How do you guys do it?
I went off of it and around.
Take a run, jump!
Whoa.
Okay, you did it. Yeah. Bravo.
She's an athlete.
Bravo.
Jump! Nice! Did you jump in?
Well done, everybody.
I have both.
Luke just told me to look down.
Like, come over here and put your head over.
Oh my gosh, I don't like it. I know. I'm just gonna cushion your fall.
That's what kids are for. When I'm old, you cushion my fall. When you're young, I cushion your fall.
Oh, all right, deal. We made it. Worth it for the hike, hey guys?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was awesome. Such nice views. And then it just started to rain when we got back, so good timing. And we are hungry. So we've got our sticky rice and all the snacks. So it's you and me on the water?
Have we done the kayak together before? I think we have.
Well, I think so. Do you know how to swim?
I'm sure
Swim?
adrenaline rush will kick in and
So if the kayak flips over and you have to save me or Caleb, who's it gonna be?
Caleb, man. the kid.
Rude.
Stands up to himself.
Gosh, I was in your life for longer. It's rude.
This is perfect.
We are kayaking. Caleb, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty good life over here.
And everything in front of us, I see two mountains.
Mountains. I see mountains too.
More! My side? They hear the goose say, like a snake.
Look at all these fish. Do you see that, Caleb? There's so many. This is so cool.
Maybe they will come in.
No, we don't want them in the boat. We just get to watch them. That's so cool. we're heading back to shore because we just saw a bear swimming across the lake with us, and I thought it was a beaver or a muskrat.
And I thought it was a crocodile.
And up front here, Deb was correct. She's like, I think it might be a bear. And I was like, there's no way. No way. The bear comes up onto shore and walks away, and then we paddled as fast as we could, turned this ship around, and back we go. And I'm sorry that I did not get any of it on video because I was fighting for my life, okay? Luke's favorite for dinner. Good old short ribs galbi.
Oh yeah.
Join us on our next episode to find out if my parents lasted the full 4 nights. Sweet dreams!
Good dreams.
Love you!
What? I love you.